HOSTKEY introduces innovative cooling technology for Tercon servers. Hosting provider HOSTKEY has started implementing an innovative server cooling system based on Tercon contour heat transfer tubes. A pilot project to deploy the new technology is being conducted on the territory of the Moscow data center, where HOSTKEY rents capacity to host client servers and its own infrastructure. In the new cooling system, heat is removed from the equipment by special heat pipes, thermowls. Tercons are an innovative development of the Russian company Tercon KTT. These are contour heat pipes for heat transfer, cooling and thermal stabilization. Tercons are attached to the processor and other heat-generating elements of the server, and the Tercon condenser is attached to the heat exchange bus. From them, heat is transferred to an external heat exchanger. In Tercon tubes, heat is removed due to the phase transition of the coolant from liquid to steam and the capillary porous structure that acts as a pump. The movement of steam and liquid in them is carried out through separate smooth-walled pipelines. With the help of capillary pressure, the Tercon pumps liquid and steam flows in any orientation in the field of gravity for a considerable distance without spinning electricity. This method of heat removal shows significantly greater efficiency than the standard one-air cooling with fans. There are no mechanical moving parts in Tercon tubes, which ensures a long service life and minimizes wear and breakage. Using an efficient cooling system based on Tercons allows you to place more powerful servers with the latest generation components on the same area by increasing the permissible load per server rack. So, when designing a data center, the average rack power is laid at the level of 5 to 7 kilowatts. If exceeded, there is a serious risk of overheating both the equipment in the rack and in the machine room as a whole. This approach imposes restrictions on both the class of equipment used and the density of its placement in racks. The use of processors with high power consumption dictates additional requirements for the cooling system. Low air cooling efficiency and high heat dissipation result in the need to change the form factor of the radiators and change the height of the server from 1U to 2U, which reduces the maximum possible amount of equipment installed in the rack. Based on the results of the pilot project, we can confidently say that the introduction of the Tercon cooling system helps significantly reduce the cost of operating the IT infrastructure, comments HOSTKEY CEO in Russia Andriy Shevchenko. By increasing server density, we can place more of our customers' equipment on the same space without losing quality or reducing the level of service. In addition, the cost of both cooling the equipment and powering the servers themselves is reduced. We assess the pilot project as very successful and plan to scale it to our other data center sites. This, in turn, will give us the opportunity to offer more favorable terms for renting powerful servers to our customers. We welcome the introduction of innovative technology developed by Russian inventors into the IT infrastructure of the international hosting provider HOSTKEY, says Arkady Ivanov, CEO of Tercon KTT. I am sure that this is only the beginning of a fruitful cooperation that will contribute to both the growth of our partners' business and the popularization of Russian innovative developments in international markets. HOSTKEY is an international hosting provider with its head office in the Netherlands, which has been providing server rental services, customer equipment placement, co-location, and a complex of consulting and professional equipment support services, remote smart hands, based on data centers in the Netherlands, USA and Russia for more than 10 years. The company provides a server infrastructure for running private cloud solutions. All HOSTKEY sites are connected by high-bandwidth communication channels, which makes it possible to build geo-distributed solutions and projects. Tercon KTT is a manufacturer of Tercon heat transfer tubes, highly efficient two-phase heat transfer devices. The company's team includes specialists with unique experience in the development of heat transfer devices and thermal control systems. Founder and scientific director of the company, inventor of contour heat pipes Tercon, winner of the State Prize of the Russian Federation, author of more than 200 scientific publications, 60 domestic and foreign patents, Doctor of Technical Sciences Yuri Maydnik. The quality management system of Tercon KTT LLC is certified for compliance with the requirements of the international standard ISO 9001-2011 and the Russian military standard GOST RV 001500222012. The company is a resident of Skolkovo and a grant holder of the Innovation Promotion Foundation.